My name's Derek Jacoby. I'm a PhD student in computer science at the University of Victoria. Starting on January 28th, I'm going to be teaching a course called Arduino-based animatronics. Arduino is a little hobbyist electronics platform. Think of it as an embedded microcontroller, but one that has a very friendly interface on the computer, so you can do some very basic programming very easily with this. This has a whole bunch of sensors, things that can detect input, things that can drive motors, drive lights, drive speech on the output side, and we're going to use this for animatronics. Animatronics is making something real life animated. So in this case, the project I'm going to do is take my little bear here and mount the Arduino in it, mount some motors in it so he can wave to you, mount some distance sensors in his eyes so he can see if you're getting close or not, mount a little MP3 player in his belly and a little vibration motor in his belly, and he'll be able to do things like say, "Hey, come here." And when you come up and it detects you're close, he'll go, "Let me tell you a secret," and buzz his belly when you rub his belly. All sorts of neat things are possible, though. Treat this project really just as an example of the kind of things you can do. We've got a bunch of other resources that are available to you during this course. Let me tell you about those. The course will be taught at the Victoria Makerspace. The Makerspace is Victoria's collective workshop. We've got a wood shop, a metal shop, 3D printer, a laser cutter, a recording studio. We've got an electronics area. We've got all sorts of stuff to make things out of real objects. Even a biology lab, although we won't use that in this course. It's a shared space. We don't have any paid staff. It's all just members coming together to create this workshop themselves. And basically the goal of the workshop is to enable each other's projects, to be excellent to each other, and share knowledge and capabilities. And so really a couple-month membership to the Makerspace is the opportunity to take whatever projects you want to build using a fully equipped shop and make them come real. The Makerspace is part of the Vancouver Island Tech Park, right behind Camosun Interurban. We're on a couple good bus routes, so it's easy to get there. The 39 comes right from the University of Victoria, the 21 comes right from downtown, the 8 comes from the Oak Bay area, so it's pretty easy to get to the Makerspace. And with the course, you're going to get a 2-month temporary membership that gives you 24/7 access to the space and a whole lot of help and resources from other people who are out there. The other thing you get with the course is a 2-month full access path to the Stan Winston School of Character Arts. This is a really neat school. We're only going to get the access to the online pieces. They teach some in-person stuff as well. But this is the premier special effects studio in Hollywood. They, for instance, did all of the animation for the Alien series, or all of the animatronics, rather, for the Alien series. And they've got a whole bunch of courses you can tuck into. Our animatronic control using the Arduino, that's basically the same material we'll be covering in our course, but they show a little bit different take on it. We're going to build bears, and they're going to build guns. Building teeth, pumpkin carving, latex mask making, introduction to design, making monsters, portrait illustration, all sorts of really exciting art topics, ranging from puppet making to mask making to monster making to makeup. And so the goal of having this as being part of the course is to really spur your creativity. I'll help teach you the technical aspects. I'll make sure you're successful in understanding how to program, even if you've never programmed before. But if you have programmed before and you're a little bit more advanced, use this as an experience to get some really experienced people to help you bring your project up to the next level artistically. And in the lab section of the course, we'll have a bunch of people who have done a whole lot of work with Arduinos to help you out, as well as some people around who can really help you with manufacturing processes. And the last resource, of course, is the Arduino. With your course fee comes a kit. That kit will allow you to do such things as build an Arduino with the sensors on the bear that I talked about, but it'll also allow you to do a whole lot more. It's going to have a remote control included in it, so you can remotely run things, the MP3 player. Actually, 2 Arduinos come in the kit, a whole bunch of RGB LEDs, so you can make lights flash in whatever patterns you want. You can use the light sensor to detect if the room lights are turned on. You can use the distance sensor to determine how close things are. And we'll talk about stepper motors and servo motors, so you can do things on the output side. We'll do vibration, noise output, and then finally using that MP3 module to make it actually talk to you on command. All sorts of things you need to make physical objects come to life. And the programming environment is really quite simple. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to do all this stuff. So where do you go to find out more? Well, the first place is to the UVic Continuing Studies website. We're listed in the Arts section, and that's really because we expect you to make incredible artwork out of all this technology. So if you go up to uvcs.uvic.ca in the Arts section, you'll see the animatronics course listed. That'll let you go ahead and sign up, and about half the course is full now, so get in there if you want to get this taken. The other thing you can do is just come out to Makerspace. Any Tuesday night, we have an open house from 7 to 9 p.m. And if you go to makerspace.ca, you'll be able to get all the directions that I just walked through in this video. I hope to see you out for the course. Thanks a lot.